Maintenance of computer embroidery machine is to ensure production and product quality. This standard operating procedure is divided. And lubrication. Please strictly abide by the operation and prevent illegal work. Cleaning is the first step in maintenance. Use a high-pressure air gun. Thoroughly clean the head and bead feeder and dust around the feeding bead assembly, chopping board. Focus on cleaning the inside of the bead feeder, the accumulated dust, to prevent jamming. Do not use brute force to pull the remaining threads, to avoid damaging the parts. Keep the guide rails and screw rods absolutely clean. Prevent foreign objects from hindering the drive. Lubrication is the key to reducing wear in each bead feeding assembly. Add about 2 drops of lubricating oil. Note that excessive oiling is prohibited to prevent oil stains from dripping and polluting. Operate on the computer. Let the bead feeding assembly operate. Fully lubricate it. Click in turn. Click on the parts of the bead feeder assembly that need lubrication and lubricate it properly to ensure oil flow. Avoid dry grinding. Periodic inspections are a means of preventing faults and the cornerstone of ensuring long-term stable operation.